Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Zoho Expense in 2025. We'll see if it is the best way to manage receipts. Let's be real, expense reports are the worst. But what if an app could make them actually painless? That's the promise of Zoho Expense. I've been testing it, and here's my no fluff review to see if it lives up to the hype. First, the standout feature is the AI-powered receipt scanner. This thing is brilliant. Just snap a photo of any receipt, coffee, flight, or hotel receipt, and it instantly extracts the merchant, the date, amount, and category. It is scarily accurate. The second standard feature is its automation. Once it is categorized, it can automatically create an expense report, code it to the right client or project, and even sync it directly to your accounting software like QuickBooks or obviously Zoho Books. And third, the cost. For growing teams, it is incredibly affordable, especially if you're already using other Zoho apps. It feels like a premium tool without the premium price tag. Now, is it perfect? Well, a few things are not. While it integrates with many platforms, it works absolute magic inside the Zoho ecosystem. If you do not use any other Zoho apps, you might not get the full seamless experience. It is also built more for business expenses than personal finance, and while it handles multi-currency and mileage tracking well, if you're a massive enterprise with incredibly complex approval workflows, you might still look at the giant called SAP Concur. So my final verdict, Zoho Expense is a knockout for small to medium-sized businesses, freelancers, and anyone who wants to stop wasting time on paperwork. It is intelligent, automated, and offers incredible value. If you're looking to finally conquer your expense reports, this app is absolutely worth a serious look. What's your go-to expense app? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more real-world software reviews. Thanks for watching.